wey dey use pikin say dey laugh person. If una dey insult person for this social media, una dey always dey use barrenness say dey laugh them. Make una come see wetin God do for Jennifer Collins. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today like about Jennifer Collins. Like, I am so happy, like seriously. I am so happy, my darling people. Even though say I not today Sunday, but if I not wish her congratulations, waiting again, my darling people. As I see the picture where Esther talk show, the congratulate her just now. I'm gonna go look for the picture, my people. This life, yeah, we normal like before Ogiarwa. This Jennifer Collins, if she get problem with anybody for social media, though they laugh her with pikin, they go they insult her, you know go boom. I remember when you get problem with your love it. He used pikin laugh and not be small. He used pikin laugh and more be. He used pikin laugh am. He laugh and not be small. You will be say you don't get womb. You don't follow me buy medicine. This, that. I was like, God, you are not God. Where he be say, if una dey insult person for this social media, una they always use pikin till they laugh the why. Una see this life, my people. Jennifer Collins, I don't know say she get womb. I don't know say she get womb, my people. Una wey talk say she not get womb. Una don see and say she get now. Una don see and say God can't do and wey be say she can't born the pikin. The time of celebration, December. And this pikin is a miraculous child for you. I am so happy for you, Jennifer Collins. What did they not call you for this social media? They say you not go fit born pikin, say you not get womb. They say you not go fit born pikin. People mock you with pikin. People insult you. The time when you get problem with Monica, she use pikin to laugh you. You get problem with your love it, he use pikin to laugh you. Oh, now for this social media, this social media. So they who can give her this belly now when they come born pikin now? Who can give her the womb? Now you give her the womb now. God, this God, is too big. Like this God. I am so happy for you, my sister. I am so happy for you. God will do your own way. You go do everybody. This our God, they not the sleep. Osa heavy, my people. You now see this life, This life no balance. This life no balance at all. This life no balance, so my people. After una don use pikin say laugh am. God come say now he want open a way for her. I am so happy for you, Jennifer Collins. You see the way you take born this pikin, so not just give her time, no give her time. If this pikin don't see they go 6 months or 8 months, carry another one join am. My sister. I am so happy for you. As as it just open, so just the bond they go, you not go stop. Because people too laugh you with pikin. They too mock you. No wonder, I'm not going to see you for social media again. I don't always ask one of my friends, I'm not going to see Jennifer Collins again. Why? I don't know, say God don't do one for you. I am so happy for you. And who talk say God not dey? If people they mock you, say you not go born pikin, they always they tell God say they are not your God. They are not your God. That is why I dey see some of una for this social media. Una go dey follow person wey go dey insult you. They swear for your pikin. After you go use that man swear finish, he go still come back say we come pray for una. That is how they wonder whether una dey okay sometimes. These social media people. Person go dey swear, they insult. They swear, they insult people for social media. Una go dey there. Then tomorrow you go come still carry Bible again, say you want us to pray for una.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
the same mouth when they say insult children, oh, when they say mock you with pikin, say you not go fit born pikin. You go still carry that same mouth, say Mona come, say one come pray for una. I will just dey look all of una sometimes. I take her, that David Abie. I am so happy for you, oh, Jennifer Colin. So congratulations, my sister. I am so happy for you. They use pikin mock you, they insult you, they talk so many things, not the way they not talk about you. Today, uncle, Jennifer Colin is not bombastic baby girl, beautiful baby girl. I am so happy for you, my sister. I am so happy for you. This is a miraculous child because God give you. You born am on a celebration. The day we celebrate our Jesus. Now you take born so. I am so happy for you, eh? Hey God, who talk say God that day, oh, una come see, oh, make una come see wetin God do for Jennifer Collins. Make una come see wetin God do for Jennifer Collins, oh. Come see wetin Jesus do for me, oh, you're in my body, oh. I am so happy, oh, my people. I am so happy. Jennifer Collins, eh? Congratulations.
I want to go.
Congratulations, my sister. Congratulations. I am so happy for you. Like, I'm overwhelmed. Like, seriously. I am so happy for you. Mona, join me. If you be lover of good things, if you like better things, join me. May you congratulate Jennifer Collins. She is worth to celebrate. Congratulate her for me. Congratulate her for me. Congratulate her for me. I am so happy because they mock this woman, not be small. They mock this woman. They insult her. They give her different name. They talk say she don't get womb. They talk say she not go fit born for her life. So say a man wait on herself to a woman. They insult her. They insult her, not be small, my people. They insult her. I am so happy. I am so happy, my people. I am so happy. Mona join me, eh? Mona join me, congratulate her. Mona join me, congratulate her. I am so happy, really, like seriously. Jennifer Collins, eh? Congratulations, my sister. Eh? God go bless that your pikin. God go bless you for safe delivering. God go bless you and bless you and bless you and bless your pikin. So you wey they don't mock, say you not go fit born pikin. Another person wey we go celebrate again, and I be Mommy Yore. Now Mommy Yore remain, now we go still celebrate. Celebration not go finish, oh. E not go finish. You where they pray for fruit of the womb, tap for this blessing. Tap for this blessing, oh, because they mock this woman. But today, she is now a mother. Thank you, my darling people. Anything you want to think about this video? Mona put congratulations for her. Congratulations.